Hi, it's me Nana, and this is from my dog Mocha. Today I'm gonna turn dress into this dress. I will do only the skirt part, no change on the bodice part. Close up to this dress ruffle. It's made out of a long ruffle. On the other hand, this dress has a short ruffle on top of a long ruffle. Can you see the differences? Let's get started. First, remove the ruffle. Using a ripper, cut the thread that connect to the ruffle. This dress was sewn with wide stitches, so it was easy to remove, but if it was hard, try to rip every 4 to 5 stitches and pull the other side of the thread. This process sounds a lot of work, but it actually took like 5 minutes. It's not that hard at all. Skirt and ruffle ratio isn't half and half or 1/3 either, right? It's in between. I never seen this dress in person, so I'm not sure, but I have an idea for the best ratio. So this is my Instagram account, Nana Perky. Please follow me. And I've made a lot of items out of dress hems. These are all sold items on my Etsy or Instagram. This is a corset top and matching tiered skirt, and I think this tiered skirt ratio is perfect for this alteration. The top 2 tiers as a skirt part and the bottom tiers as a ruffle. I'm gonna make the skirt to 45 cents, so let's calculate it together. Also, I use centimeters, it's easier for me to calculate. First, skirt length 45 divided by 4 is 1125. This is the length of the top tier of this skirt, not the dress. Second, 1125 divided by 3 is 375. And 375 plus 1125 is 15, which is the middle tier length. So 45 minus 1125 minus 15 equals 1875. That's the bottom tier length. But I don't want to measure smaller than 5 milli, so I'll make 19 cents for the ruffle. And 45 cents skirt length minus 19 cents ruffle is 26 centimeters plus 1 cent seam allowance. I'm going to cut 27 cents for the skirt and 20 cents for the ruffle. It looks like the same ratio in the picture, right? Mark some dots at 27 cents from the waistline all the way around the skirt. Then connect the dots. Make sure the line will be a perfect circle. So it will be a slightly curved line, not a straight line. And cut. It's so short, but so far the dress looks like this. Now I need to see how much fabric I need for the ruffle. Ruffle uses about double or more of the hemline, so I'm measuring the skirt hem. Okay, so the hem circumference is 325. So I'm going to cut the ruffle about 650 centimeters. This ruffle is just a huge rectangle with gathering. I'm using the original ruffle's bottom part, so I only need a one side seam allowance. Which means I'm cutting 20 cents from the hem, and I don't have to finish the hem. Next, sewing the edges together. 650 cents is super long, so make sure the fabric isn't twisted. Finish the seam with serger. Finish the hem as well. Using this gathering foot, I'm gonna make the ruffle gathered. This foot makes gather automatically. See, it's gathering. And finally attaching the ruffle to the skirt. The ruffle ended up to have 3 shims, so I want to match the one of the shim and the skirt shim on the back. And then just connect them, right sides together. It should have enough length, but if not, adjust the gathering amount. Finally, sewing them together. I think it's getting dark when I start sewing. Please ignore the bad picture quality. And I'm skipping this part, it's so dark. And then finish the shim edge with torture. I usually don't add any background sound in the videos, but I got something funny in this video, so here you go. I think my husband just came back home and then she gets too excited about it. So far, it looks like this. The ruffle is just like a French puff skirt. Back side looks like this. I think I'll just reuse the original ruffle. Between the hem and gathering, it has 3.5 cents. So adding 1 cent for the rolled hem, I'm gonna cut 4.5 cents from the gathering line. This ruffle is also a huge rectangle, so make sure you are cutting a straight line. It looks like this so far, and then cutting all the way. It was so hard to cut a straight line right by the gathering. So yeah, that's why I was mostly out of the frame. Make sure this long ruffle isn't twisted, sew the sides together. Same way as I did for the other ruffle, so I'm gonna skip this part. After connecting the sides, finish the hem with the rolled hem. I've uploaded a video of how to sew rolled hem, so please check the video if you aren't sure how to do it. Pin the ruffle. Sew the ruffle. Just sew on top of the gathering line. And now I'm done sewing. Back side looks like this. How does it look? I think it turned really good. It looks very similar to the skirt of this original one, right? I added pockets from the leftover scraps. I will upload a video of how to add pockets sometime soon. And also, I made a matching hat and bag. This sun hat is on sale on my Etsy in various silky prints, and I also sell matching bows, scrunchies, and more items. If you thought I did a good job on this dress and stuff, please check my Etsy page link in description and thumbs up on this video. And subscribe to my channel to support me for free. Thank you for watching.